So, welcome everyone to session 4, Philosophy with an Indian Twist. Good afternoon. A warm welcome to all our flow members, esteemed guests, and participants joining us for this enriching session. I'm Shalini Beriwal, and it's my absolute pleasure to serve you as your host for today's session of Skill to Scale, a part of Fiki Flow's Project Wing Empowerment Series 2025. This is the fourth session in our long flagship initiative designed to equip women entrepreneurs, professionals, and creatives with practical industry aligned skill. This program is spearheaded under the visionary leadership of our national president, Ms. Poonam Sharma, whose passion for women empowerment has set a powerful direction for this initiative. Ms. Sharma, inspired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Viksit Bharat and flow motto Power to Empower, is leading from the front with bold and impactful programs. Her leadership has truly elevated flow mission by delivering programs that are innovative, inclusive, and grounded in real-world outcome. This initiative, particularly Skill to Scale, offers meaningful training to women-led businesses, NGO, trainees, solopreneurs, integrated themes of entrepreneurship, creativity and social consciousness. आज का जो सेशन है फिरोशकी विद एन इंडियन ट्विस्ट, इट इज सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ ट्रेडिशन, सस्टेनेबिलिटी एंड इनोवेशन इन द रियल्म ऑफ गिफ्ट पैकेजिंग. फिरोशकी है क्या? फिरोशकी एक जापानीज आर्ट है. क्लॉथ रैपिंग, वहां पे लोग क्या करते थे? दे यूज टू हैव their scarves and they'll tie the gift, take it to their friends or whomever they wanted to give. खोल के गिफ्ट रख लिया जाता था और स्कार्फ वापस कर दिया जाता था. तो आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? फिरोशकी री इमेजिन्ड विद इन द इंडियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट. Artisan led brands, women led gifting ventures, and sustainable enterprises will benefit from there. Now, I'm truly honored to conduct this session, not only as a facilitator, but also the founder of MAP Academy. मैप अप एकेडमी के बारे में अगर मैं आपसे बात करूं तो ये सिर्फ एक स्किल एकेडमी नहीं है. इट इज अ बिजनेस, it enables homemakers to become an homepreneurs, especially. And we also, when you are at home and you get creative skills, get the business opportunities, and which is a social need of today. तो वर्कशॉप का जो गोल है वो ये है कि ये till March, we are going to do a gift packaging series. Every month, we have 2 sessions, which will be in relation to business development and also crafting. So, gratitude to all of you. You are here, and it reflects your commitment to learning, creativity, and personal growth. So, I'm happy that you are all here. And today's session specifically. So, my leg is, I just fractured my leg 4 days back. So I would like to introduce, I'm just spotlight the other camera. Can you please on? So we have Dolly Aneja. Can you say hi?
Hi,
come. And we have Sumita Diwan here. So they are 2 MAP trainers and MAP coaches and MAP alumni who are going to help us in conducting the program. Okay. So before that, I would like to say why I have chosen Firoshiki. So why I have chosen Firoshiki to be the specific topic of session. Why? The reason is, अगर आप ये देखिए कि एक कपड़ा है, कपड़े को बांधते हैं, यूट्यूब के ऊपर हजारों वीडियोस है. डू यू अग्री? जिन लोगों ने फिरोशकी को रिसर्च किया होगा, हजारों वीडियो यूट्यूब पर है. फिर शालिनी ने इसको एक मेन टॉपिक ऑफ द सेशन क्यों बनाया? द रीजन इज इन इंडिया, if you go Ajrak, then we have Sanganeri prints, we have block prints, we have so many kinds of fabrics, prints, embroideries. हर स्टेट एक अलग भाषा बोलता है, एक अलग क्रिएटिविटी बोलता है, और उसके साथ में हमारे पास में है बहुत सारे आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट. Imagine if you mix one print type or an embroidery type with one craft type, what kind of a wrapping will it create? Can you imagine? The fulkari bordered, firoshikis with fulkari tassels, and the parandis. You have those ajrak from Gandhinagar, or the leheriya, the bandage, and going Hathigodas. And here we have Sejal Parik today, and she does patolas. And imagine patolas being done as a firashikis, and then the latkan and done into another, those Ahmedabadi Kutch work embroideries. How many of you agree that this will create beautiful concoctions? How many of you? तो मैंने तो वो किया जो अभी हम दिल्ली में बैठ के आपको एक आइडिया दे सकते थे। आपको क्या करना है, जल्दी से बताओ, आपको क्या करना है आफ्टर दिस वर्कशॉप? You are here from pan India and pan world. Some of the people are here from outside India. आपकी जिम्मेदारी क्या बनती है after this workshop? Put it on the chat. जल्दी से बताओ आपकी, when you see this, somebody from Ahmedabad is there, somebody from Kashmir is there, Jammu is there. Take it forward, but take it forward in what way? Take it forward in what way? Take it forward कि आपका जो भी regional फैब्रिक है, आपके जो भी रीजनल प्रिंट्स हैं, उनको यू ब्रिंग इन टुगेदर इनसाइड फ्लो एवरीथिंग एंड इमेजिन फ्लो के पास कितने सारे डिजाइन होंगे. यस, रचना सेज विल डू इट इन फुलकारी, विल वेट एंड यू पीपल कैन शेयर योर डिजाइन. एवरीबडी शुड डू. आई होप एवरीबडी इज इन द ग्रुप जो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट विंग का है. यू मस्ट डू दैट. अनदर थिंग, व्हाई एट द ग्रास रूट लेवल, हमारा जो ये प्रोग्राम है पावर टू एम्पावर स्किल टू स्केल अंडर प्रोजेक्ट विंग इज ऑल्सो टू एम्पावर आवर विमेन एट अ ग्रास रूट लेवल, राइट? अगर आप ये देखिए, गांव के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा काम होता है और कपड़ा मिलता है, मलमल, दे हैव दोज चीज क्लॉथ, अलग अलग तरह के खड्डी पे चीजें बन रही है, बहुत काम हो रहा है वहां का. तो वो वहां की लड़कियां भी छोटे से छोटे कपड़े को, बड़े से बड़े कपड़े को, छोटा छोटा कपड़ा हुआ तो उन्होंने फ्लावर्स बनाए, है ना, बड़ा कपड़ा हुआ तो फिरोशकी बनाई, मीडियम साइज है तो पोटली बनाई. द आइडिया इज दैट दे यूज एवरीथिंग. आर यू विद मी? Are you with me? All of you, are you excited about it? So the whole idea is that you bring this art to your business first. Like Sarva Mangala said that she is a designer and she has a tailoring unit, lot of fabrics with her. She can make a perfect use of it. Internationally and online also, आप जाके देखिएगा, there are many shops and stores online also selling only Firashiki fabrics. You must check it. There is no definite size to it. There is no definite structure because box के size से आप उसको कर सकते हैं. तो आप जरूर से करें. So Krishna says, I don't know where to send the project. Krishna, you can send the project and to the group, right? And can you see me, because I'm getting something else here? Okay, done. So let's start here. Please, I'll request all of you not to share anything. No, nothing. And be focused. Ab chalega kaise, how the program will flow today. Dolly Aneja and Sumita Diwan, they will stand and show you one fold. ये फोल्ड काफी तेजी से बनते हैं. अगर आप खुद बनाना चाहें तो साथ में बना सकते हैं, या अगर आप अभी देखना चाहें तो देखें. आफ्टर दे हैव shown we have 7 folds. So we have 7 folds दिखाने के बाद में, and then you can practice with her. Are you with her? She's a trained coach, both of them. 1, 2. आज मैं आपके लिए एक और सरप्राइज लेके आई हूँ. बताओ क्या? मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ नेम ऑफ द पीपल हु विल बाय द फ्लावर्स. So lot of chapter chairs, including Jammu Kashmir, including Vadodara, Northeast, Ahmedabad. Many of them has done workshops with flowers. Lot of people have learned it. Now it's a time for us to sell. So we already have few people who are ready to buy, and we have lot of people we have not approached. पर जिनको हमने किया वो बिल्कुल तैयार हैं उसके खरीदने के लिए. अगर आप भी उनको लेना चाहते हैं, या आपके कलर्स के साथ कस्टमाइज भी हो सकते हैं. आफ्टर द वर्कशॉप once we have done the learning part, we are going to make you meet these women who are going to buy these flowers. तो by any means अगर आपने किसी को भी सिखाया है, अगर आप उसको बेचना चाह रहे हैं, तो हम एक पूरी इंडिया के अंदर there is a bandwidth. And how many of you want to learn how to find the client? How many of you want to learn how to find the client? सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है क्लाइंट कैसे मिलेगा. अभी तो मैं दे रही हूँ, तो हम आपको ये बताएंगे भैया हाउ टू फिश, हाउ टू गेट द क्लाइंट ऑन बोर्ड. Are you right? So we'll do it here. तो do we start? करें, शुरू करें. By any means अगर मेरा लाइट फ्लक्चुएट होती है, so you might lose my face, but on the phone the session will go on. You will give us 1 minute to switch on the audio of the other apparatus. Clear? Done, Eji? So I'm going to spotlight the other camera here. Yeah, not this one. So we'll do with the map first. I'm going to put two up. Hanji. So Dolly, over to you. So the first fold we are going to do is the basic फिराशकी, where we learn. मैं इसको हिंदी में धोबी पटका भी बोलती हूँ कई बार, जैसे कपड़े नहीं निचोड़ते हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही लगता है. वेरी सिंपल, लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी. फिराशकी का एक और फायदा है कि जहां पे आपके पास मैचिंग का डब्बा नहीं हो तो भी बहुत प्रिटी लगने लग जाता है. तो इफ यू वांट टू पुट सम गिफ्ट एंड यू डोंट हैव अ मैचिंग हैव अ फिराशकी. सो डॉली, विल यू प्लीज कैन यू स्पीक एंड गिव द इंस्ट्रक्शन, और डू यू वांट मी टू डू दैट? You want me to, so just say hello and we see that can they hear you properly?
Hi everyone.
Can you hear Dolly
Am I
properly?
audible to everyone?
Vandana, can you just give me a thumbs up? I can see you. Can you hear Dolly properly? Yes, they can hear. Okay, yeah.
So here we have a piece of cloth that's
It's a scarf.
Yeah.
It's a scarf made professionally. जब हम इसे बेचते हैं तो ये जरूरी है कि हमारे पास एक जैसे कई पीस हो. People can order 100 and they order. So I use, this is a satin fabric. This is a satin fabric. It is about 35 rupees a meter in the wholesale and about 60 rupees a meter in a retail. And this is a square cut out of that.
Yeah.
Hanji.
So we'll just give a fold and make a triangle to get an idea about the center of the fabric. So now I know this is the center. I'll take my box and place it diagonally. And I'll just collect all the fabric from all the sides in a way that all the folds are almost equal. Try to make them as equal as possible. After I have done this, I'll just...
So she's collected the whole fabric together and then we are using a rubber band. So जो रियल में यूज होता है वो स्कार्फ होता है. यहाँ पे हमने एक फिराशकी फैब्रिक क्रिएट किया है and otherwise they people use scarf. So we want people to use this fabric that it doesn't go wasted. People used to wear it also. Yes, Dolly.
So I have tied the fabric and we have like 4 folds coming out. Petal shaped fabric we are left with. So we'll take one each, one by one, and keep on twisting it. We are going to create a bun out of all these 4 folds. I hope every one of you is able to see it properly. And we'll give it a turn around the place we have tied it up with the round band.
अगर डॉली आप उसको टॉप कैमरा पे ले जाओ तो मैं आपको वहां ले जाती हूँ. इट विल बी इजियर. या वहां पे उस पे ले जाओ. या दिस इज बेटर. हाँ.
So I have made a bun out of first fold. Now that's going to be the second fold. Just keep on twisting the fabric. Once you have twisted all the fabric, just wrap it around the first bun that you have created. उसको बस आप हल्का सा टक इन कर देंगे. It will stay in place. So the third one. Make sure you completely twist it before putting it into the bun.
So now you can see from both the sides, from the top camera and the side camera.
This is the last fold of the fabric that we had bought after we had tied the fabric.
It is the same as जैसे कि आप कपड़े निचोड़ते हैं. Sorry, can you show the front also?
So this is how we get the bun. This is how it looks from the sides.
Isn't this looking very nice, neat and clean? Nupur, you are saying camera adjust karo. Can I know Neena Mehra Rajni, I can see. Can you people both see both the cameras well? Yeah.
No, ma'am. आप दिखाई दे रहे
Yes.
हो, वो नहीं दिखाई दे रहा.
Just 1 minute. मैं क्यों
No,
दिखाई-
not able to see.
Just 1 minute.
You are on the screen.
Just give me 1 minute, because why am I on the screen? Wait. अब देखिए, what is it?
Yes, ma'am, and now it's fine.
Now it's fine? Okay. So now the Indian twist to it, now the Indian twist to it.
So now we can have something like these are metal embellishments, metal flowers. Normally, we have them.
These are the jewelry
Yeah.
pieces. Can we put them together?
So we can just put them on the
Can we
Not-
put them together?
yeah,
Yeah.
not that very tight.
So there is a glue dots you can use.
So we can either use glue dots or we can use the double tape.
It's better to use a glue dot, because कभी double tape दिखता है.
So this is the glue dot we are using.
So if we use the double tape, it's easier because the glue dot, if it is melt and then it'll spoil the fabric, no?
No, the glue dot doesn't burn at all. No, we are not talking about the gun. This is a glue dot. Can you show?
Yeah.
Glue dot, can you show the glue dot? This is another thing. Please show the glue
You
dot.
get these packets, they are from Fevicol and these are glue drops. So they come in this way. So you have these drops or dots, what you call.
They don't spoil the fabric, is it?
No, they don't.
No, they
And
never.
they come out
Oh,
easily.
good idea.
They come out easily.
Oh, nice.
You can just take it out and the fabric is also, it stays intact, no issue.
Oh.
Yes, you can use fresh flowers also. And now, the whole program today is how are we making it Indianized also. So you can use any brooches, earrings, neck pieces. Our students do beautiful work there. I'm adding another spotlight to it so that she shows you this. So this is the same technique.
Yeah,
क्या
that's
उल्टा?
the same technique we have used.
Can you please उसको करेंगे? Dolly, maybe इसको ऐसे कर दें तो.
So this is the
हाँ.
same technique we
Yeah.
used. You've
Yeah.
used it on just one side of
दिख रहा है आपको
the-
वहीं पे,
yeah.
ठीक है, हाँ.
on
So-
the box.
So here the Firoshiki tying has been done at the half of the box. And the flowers कौन से हैं ये? Yes, you can use Kamini. ये flower कौन से हैं? सब लोग बताएंगे. You all have made
Fabric flowers.
Yes. Can you see how beautiful they are looking?
Yeah.
And you just insert them in both. हाँ.
So you can use the flowers that you have created in the previous sessions and create beautiful packings, Firoshiki packings with these flowers.
Aren't they looking beautiful? So these are made of satin flowers. Yes, these are the same flowers. ऐसे
Yeah.
करके just this is the same flowers which we made. Aren't they beautiful? So आप ये देखो कि this is nothing like it's upmarket and it's pretty. Now, when they're preparing for the other fold now, any questions related to this? Any questions?
Yeah, ma'am, I just want to know which fabric it is because I have joined late.
So you can always see the video. This is satin fabric which we have used, right? I'll
Yes.
request the team to take a screenshot also of this, session so that we can send it to our president as well. Okay. So-
Can,
Okay, people who have joined late, so let's start, let's move ahead and we have lot to show in 1 hour.
Shalini ji,
Hanji.
can we use printed clothes for this?
Yes, you can use any kind of things.
So how can the flowers come out of it? Because it's merging,
नहीं, आप
emerging.
उसका अगर प्रिंट में से आप उसका एक प्रीडोमिनेंट कलर लेंगे,
Okay.
फ्लावर में से आप एक उनका प्रीडोमिनेंट कलर लेंगे और उसके फ्लावर यूज करेंगे प्रिंट के. I can see Vedika making. Vedika, can you show? Vedika, can you show? You already done it. See, Vedika has already done it. Beautiful. Vedika, wonderful. So in the class session only, Vedika has done it. A Kanpur girl, a Fiki Flow member. So thank you for doing it. Wonderful. जी अभी बाद में हम सबके देखेंगे, आप लोग बना के रखिए. So over to the second fold now. So top view do. Okay, so I'm giving it a stock view. So now we have again another Firoshki which is smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have this fabric square again.
And it
this
is two-sided. Please show that
Yeah.
also. Huh.
It's colored from, like, it has different shades of the same color on both the sides.
तो ये जो कपड़ा है उसमें एक रंग अंदर में लाइट है, बाहर का गहरा है. So it's beautiful, and you will get these kinds of fabric in spades also. Try not to buy stiff fabric. अगर fabric stiff होंगे तो उनके fold अच्छे नहीं बनते हैं. This is kind of a tissue, a nice quality tissue which is lighter and a dark. तो बड़ा अच्छा interesting fold बनेगा. Let's do it.
Again, you need to just take an idea about the center.
Idea नहीं,
Place
exactly. We need
exactly
हाँ.
the center, and then we put the box, whichever you want to wrap in the center, and again collecting the fabrics from all the ends, making sure all the folds that you're getting are of equal size, and then we'll just repeat the same as we did in the previous one.
सो पीच को आपने बीच में रखा, चारों कोनों को उठा के उनको इक्वल किया और रबर बैंड से आपने इसको सिक्योर कर लिया. दिस इज द बेसिक फिरोशकी टेक्निक. अगर इसको गोल घुमा देंगे तो जैसे आपने लास्ट में किया था वैसे बन जाएगा, और अभी शी इज डूइंग इट डिफरेंटली. यस.
So again, we've got 4 petal shaped fabric ends with us. So now we are going to take each fold and we are going to take the rubber band that we have put.
So I'm going to add another camera so that you can see both the angles of the work being done.
Shalini ji, I have a question.
हाँ, पहले इसको कर लें. हाँ, बताइए आप.
Is this finished with some kind of hemming?
No, it is Pico I've written. अभी इसको कर लेते हैं, फिर क्वेश्चन लेते हैं, ठीक है? हाँ.
So we'll just pull the rubber band. If you can see the rubber band, take it in your finger, on your finger, and fold the fabric loop and insert the end into the rubber
मैम
band.
कैमरा फिर से
Not
चेंज हो
able
गया
to see.
आप
नहीं, कैमरा तो
spotlight
ठीक
आ
है
गया।
अभी. कैमरा ठीक है
मैम
अभी.
आप हो स्पॉटलाइट पे।
अरे यार, मैं कैसे स्पॉटलाइट हूँ?
We are not able to see.
नहीं मैम, मेरे लिए तो ठीक है. I have one
हाँ.
top view and one side view.
Yes, even
You're
I
not able
see
to
though.
Ma'am, we can
Top-
see.
Yes, we can see.
So you have to change your view of the Zoom. आपको
Ma'am, we
हाँ,
can
तो
see
आपको
both the
आपको
cameras.
आपको चेंज करना पड़ेगा. On my screen it's Shalini Beriwal and both the working one. Yeah. So Dolly, आप थोड़ा सा अंदर करके लो.
Ma'am, can you pin the video, the one which is active? Can you pin it?
Yeah.
Shalini ji, your
Yes,
pin
I
is
have
okay,
pinned
her
it.
pin
I have
is
pinned
wrong.
it. I have pinned it now.
Still not able to see.
Change
Okay.
your pin.
एक
Shalini
मिनट
ma'am's
रुको.
pin is okay. We can see whatever she wanted to show us.
1 minute.
Your pin is wrong.
अभी ये देखिए. Is this all right?
Yeah.
Yes,
But
now
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
all right. Yes, yes.
Okay.
So now we take the rubber band, pull it a bit, take the fabric, इसका जो एक end है pointed end, उसको इस rubber band के अंदर से डालेंगे, and we are going to create a flower-like structure on top.
So जो पॉइंट है चारों के, उसको अगर अंदर से डालें तो 4 पत्तियों की तरह निकल आते हैं नीचे से, और ऊपर फूल की तरह हो जाता है ये. या
This is how it looks once we are done.
तो नीटली आप उसको राउंड ऊपर बना लें ताकि वो फ्लावर की तरह लगे. नीचे 4 लीव्स आ जाते हैं. या
See, this is how it looks from the side. That's the top. And if you want,
insert the flower in the center.
so you can use a flower to embellish it.
And now I'm going to replace the spotlight here. हाँ.
Some
Already she has done one more box the same way. Can you see both the box done? So there is a plate there.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो आप देखो घर में आपके पास में कोई भी 2 कपड़े हैं, आप समझो नहीं है तो कोई दुपट्टे के 2 कर लिए या किसी भी चीज से कर लिए, कोई भी 2 डब्बे अलग अलग तरह के एंड आपने गिफ्ट करना है एज अ प्रोफेशनल, योर क्लाइंट वांट्स इंस्टेंट पैकिंग, तो आपने 2 फैब्रिक लिए, उनके आपने 2 बनाए, किसी भी बेस पे रखे एंड जस्ट ऐड अ फ्लावर। उल्टा कर रहे हो डॉली, उस इसको फ्लावर्स को उस तरफ लो ना। So you put the flowers and your hamper is ready. Look at this. Your hamper is ready. अभी ये भी उल्टा है, हाँ इसको भी घुमाइए। Yeah, your hamper is ready. Deepa, all these materials is sponsored by Pretty Packings. So we can talk about that later offhandedly, but अभी तो आप इसी से देखिए। And for fabrics, you don't need anybody. You can have your own and boxes का। तो कहने का ये क्या, अगर हम इसकी कमर्शियल वैल्यू निकालें एज अ प्रोफेशनल पैकर, अगर हम इसकी कमर्शियल वैल्यू निकालें एज अ प्रोफेशनल पैकर, तो ये आधा मीटर में 2 बने हैं। और अगर आपका कपड़ा 150 रुपए मीटर भी है और आपका 75 रुपीज प्लस पिकू 125, द फ्लावर्स आर अनदर अबाउट 150, तो 250 रुपए में प्लस वॉट एवर बेस यू यूज, तो एवरीथिंग इज रेडी एंड द टाइम टेकन इज नॉट मोर देन 15-20 minutes. You save money there also. How many of you are loving it? Tell me that. How many of you are loving it? Hanji. So I'll take the question answers by the time they are preparing the next one. Yes. So somebody was asking.
Anilji, I have a question.
Yes, please.
This fabric is firstly what kind of fabric? Like, it's dual color. So how is that? Is it
So
two
you go to the market, there are many fabrics available in dual color, in chenille, in suede, in many. So I just went to the market and मुझे अच्छा लगा तो मैंने खरीद लिया. I'll be honest. तो
And is
it's
it finished by Pico?
हाँ देखिए, पीकू होता है, इंटरलॉक होता है, यू वांट टू सेव मनी, स्पेशली अगर द बजट्स आर नॉट देयर एंड यू वांट टू मेक इट कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव एंड समटाइम टाइम इज आल्सो नॉट देयर, तो कैंडल लेके आपने बर्निंग टेक्निक करी है कभी?
No.
सो एक ना कैंडल जला लो। अगली क्लास में मैं नॉट द नेक्स्ट, उसके नेक्स्ट में मैं आपको रिबन बनाने सिखाऊंगी और उससे एक्सेसरीज सिखाऊंगी, उसमें मैं आपको टीच करूंगी बर्निंग टेक्निक्स एंड ऑल, जिससे धागे नहीं निकलेंगे। तो यू सेव, नहीं तो एक 4 कोना 4 मीटर अगर हम पिक्कू कराते हैं ना तो हमारे 70-80 रुपए लग जाते हैं उसके अंदर। सो वी कैन सेव दैट मनी फॉर श्योर। ठीक है जी। एंड
How can we access your next classes?
आर यू नॉट इन द ग्रुप?
Yeah.
तो ग्रुप में तो जूम जाता है सारा।
Okay.
हाँ, अब वो है।
So
और
I had
and if you want to join my personal sessions, I do a lot of free personal sessions. For that you have to follow Map Instagram. वहां पे हम उसे प्रमोट करते हैं। Over here is Skill to Scale Project Wings, and this is specifically for gift packaging industry. अगर आपने ये पूरे 20 जो सेशन होंगे उसको ढंग से किया तो आप each session can monetize. Like we monetize flowers. Today we are going to make you meet some buyers as well. We did bunching was the next, and then we did how to analyze yourself for your business. And the 4th session is about Firoshiki. And next we are going to talk about handcrafting, कि आप handicraft जिसको हम बोलते हैं उससे business कैसे create होगा. That's going to be the next one. So very interesting sessions are coming. So let's be together. We are all set for the other one.
So can I ask you one question?
Yes,
I just
yes,
wanted to
please.
know
Yeah.
that do you have any measurements when you're taking a box, when you talk about taking the fabric?
Yeah.
Is there
So-
any ratio for the cloth that you take?
Got it. तो ना ये पॉसिबल नहीं है क्योंकि बॉक्स का साइज हमेशा फर्क होएगा,
हाँ,
राइट? तो जनरली वी बिलीव कि अगर बॉक्स की जो भी साइज है उसका 3 गुना आप ले लो। अगर आप इंटरनेट पे चेक करें कि
हाँ।
फिरोशकी साइज, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी ओल्ड आर्ट, तो मैं
Correct,
कुछ
correct.
नया नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं उसको नया ट्विस्ट कर रही हूँ। I am not,
Got it.
Firoshiki is not my invention, it's already there. What we
Yes,
are
yes,
doing, we
that's
are Indianizing, rather I'm saying we are internationally उसको ना हम
Doing it.
adaptable
हाँ।
बना रहे हैं कि आप उससे पैसे कमा सको। Whole idea is this. तो
Correct, correct.
साइज क्योंकि अच्छा फोल्ड पे भी है, आप सिर्फ उसको नॉट करके थोड़ा सा कर रहे हो, आपको छोटा चाहिए, आप उसे गोल घुमा रहे हो, आपको बड़ा चाहिए, तो ये आपके ऊपर भी डिपेंड करेगा कि what design do you want to create, right?
No, when I'm looking at the first one, so just seeing you have a, so for that design to come, for that circle to वो जो आप बना रहे हो उसको तो थोड़ा सा obviously it's much bigger than the box
हाँ
size.
तो
ना, तो
ऑब्वियसली मैं
कोई
क्लास करूंगी
है
तो
कोई
प्लान करके ही
ratio?
करूंगी ना, तो
हाँ,
मैं
हाँ।
क्लास करूंगी तो अगर वो उससे 2 इंच छोटा होता तो भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता और 2 इंच बड़ा होता तो भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
ठीक है.
तो
Done.
ओके चलो लेट्स मूव
Okay,
अहेड.
thanks.
हाँ so Dolly over to you. Yeah.
So this is our next wrap. For this, we have a fabric. Again, this is dual colored, gray.
This is not exactly dual
Dual,
color.
हाँ.
It is one side shimmer. So ऐसे फैब्रिक को जनरली लूरिक्स भी बोलते हैं. और इस ये फोल्ड डॉली आपको कराने जा रही है फिरोशकी का. ये अगर ये प्लेट्स के अंदर मिठाइयाँ जो हम गिफ्ट करते हैं, प्लेटर्स में जो हम मिठाइयाँ गिफ्ट करते हैं घर में, उसके लिए फिट है. आपको अपने दोस्त के यहाँ कुछ लेके जाना है, आपका कस्टमर आपको कहता है कि मुझे तो आज शाम को ही आधा आधा किलो या एक एक किलो के 100 जगह गिफ्टिंग करनी है, तो आपको 100 प्लेट्स मार्केट में हमेशा मिल जाएंगी. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता नहीं मिले. आपने 100 प्लेट्स बाय करी, उसकी मिठाई को क्लिंग रैप करा, कपड़ा खरीदा, नहीं पिक हुआ, डजंट मैटर, यू विल बी एबल टू स्टिल क्रिएट अ डिजाइन एंड दिस वुड बी द फोल्ड डन. या
So we take the platter and
so it won't go like this. So take it more, no, take it आगे, इसको आगे लेके जाओ कपड़े को. या पुट इट हियर इन द कॉर्नर. सो आपने यहाँ मिठाई क्लिंग रैप करा हुआ प्लेट रखा हुआ. आई विश आई हैड पुट द मिठाई इन एंड देन टक इट इन. या एंड देन ब्रिंग द फैब्रिक फ्रॉम देयर. या इसको आपने रोल कर दिया. यू रोल द एंटायर प्लेट. यस, रोल द एंटायर प्लेट. टेक अ ग्लू डॉट एंड फिक्स दिस कॉर्नर. अगर कपड़ा आपका स्लिपरी नहीं होएगा, दिस इज आई पर्पसली टेकन अ स्लिपरी एंड वेरी फेस्टिव फैब्रिक हियर, तो आपको ग्लू डॉट भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. सो आपने ये किया एंड नाउ टेक मेक श्योर दैट द प्लेट इज इन द सेंटर. प्लीज
अंदर ही
म्यूट
रखिए, बहुत
योरसेल्फ.
अंदर क्या चाबियां टंगी रहती ना वहाँ.
so we will both these sides, fabric from both these sides to make sure the plate is in the center.
Yeah.
The folds should be of the same size on both the ends. Now we'll take the fabric at the end of the plate from one side and just tie a knot here. Similarly, we do it on the other side. A tight knot. And then again, we tie it, we give a knot on the upper edge.
So I'm going to have the other camera also.
So this is how your plate.
This is how the plate is looking. Look at this. This is how the plate is looking. Please keep yourself muted. I'll request you all. Yeah, this is how it is looking.
So now to accentuate it further, we can have something like this. These, if you recognize, these are also the flowers that ma'am made you learn in the last 2 sessions. We have created an accessory out of those flowers. Now we'll just insert it into the first knot and put it like this on the platter. If you want to make it more elaborate, you can use more flowers. And here, the platter.
Can we have the front view, please?
Your platter is ready to go.
Yeah, can you just pull it? Yeah, this is, see, एक ordinary mithai platter, how it can be hanged and look beautiful. Isn't this looking pretty? Let me do the, so I'm going, just give me 1 minute so that I check. 1 minute, Dolly, don't remove it. Yeah, now they can see. Now to show them properly. Yeah.
This is how it looks.
Loving it or no? Simple piece. Look at this.
You and your platter will be the talk of the party. People will appreciate how you carry the platter.
Yeah. So how many of you are going to do this? Yes, of course, you'll stick the flowers with the glue dots. Don't use these glue stick नहीं use करना. You will ruin the scarf, right? Just use these. जैसे आपने कहा था prints की बात की थी. Pick up a color from the print. Can you show the platter? What are you asking? I'll have to go to the chat. What's the question? आगे चलो आप तब तक. So there was a
हाथ नहीं लगाना.
अगर please keep yourself muted. Yeah, आगे चले. So let's do the next one. Just 1 minute, I'll do it. Okay. So we have, what are we doing now?
So now we are going to wrap these two bottles, glass bottles,
Hmm.
with a satin fabric.
I think the front camera would be better. Yes, okay, yeah.
This is a rectangular.
So just
piece
1
that-
minute. It's not only for the wine or a whiskey, even the sharbat bottles, छोटे scarf होंगे. So your perfumes, your spa stuff, anything round is good. So अगर कोई अगरबत्ती की round cylindrical boxes हैं, कोई Pringle के strong boxes हैं, उसी तरह के कोई भी चीजें cylindrical होंगी, they can be packed with the same. Yes, please. Yeah. So take out the center of the fabric. Take out the center of the fabric. Keep your bottles
a little away from the center, but both aligned to each other in same line.
yeah.
And we are just going to roll the bottles around, the fabric around the bottles. We keep rolling it. And then
Keeping this joint in.
Yeah.
Keeping this joint, no, keeping this joint in. Keeping this joint in means this comes in. Yeah. Yeah.
so you're just going to fold
We're going to tie them together,
and then
knot them together.
knot it like this.
I'll answer all your questions once the session is over. And people who are working with us, not to worry, I will be giving you time and I will be seeing your work. This is how it is supposed to be. Like, let's see her. You want to repeat her something, she'll do that later. So this is how the time will be. Can we have the tassel?
So
The tassel goes like a mala. Yeah. Yes. So we have a very ornate, beautiful tassel to go with it. The bow can be on the sides rather than being in the front. Yeah, the bow can be on the side. Yes. जब आप नॉट कर रहे होते हो ना, उसके ऊपर बहुत फर्क पड़ता है कि आपका बो कहाँ को जा रहा है. So the tassel can be on little on the side, Dolly. उल्टी साइड लेके जा रहे हो आप. Yeah. I know. Yeah, this is right. And now with the glue dot, with the
again,
glue dots, put the
the
flower.
same flowers that you have been taught.
ऊपर थोड़ा सा. Yeah. Glue dot is quite a firm adhesive. Like it holds and it doesn't damage the surface. Dolly, can we have it on the top? No, the other side on the top. Yeah. Can we show the close-up of the packing, please? Can we show the real close-up of the packing? I don't know whether the top camera will be able to show. Can we
Yeah.
try? Can we try the top camera? Can we try the top camera also? Just 1 minute. So ये तो इसी का है. Wait, मेरे को I'll just put the other one also. Yeah. Dolly, can you just show it here? Yeah. ये नहीं दिख रहा, सामने से ही दिखेगा. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? So your sharbat bottles, your perfume bottles, everything is done so well. ग्लू डॉट्स जो है ये मोस्टली सरफेसेस पे बहुत अच्छा काम करती हैं. आपने कुश्ती नहीं लड़नी है उससे, दीप्ति. आई डू माई मैक्सिमम वर्क विद ग्लू डॉट्स व्हेन आई डोंट वांट टू ruin माई surfaces एट दैट टाइम. लेकिन अगर कोई ऐसी चीजें हैं कि जहाँ पे बहुत कुछ चिपकाना है तो मे बी yes, if the single bottle has a different tying and a different fold. वो अपने बाकी सारा काम कर लेते हैं. If we'll have time, we'll do it today. Otherwise, some other time. ठीक है? So let's start with the other fold. So we're going to do the next fold, which is I'm a book reader. And I get a lot of books as a gift, suggestion as a gift. If you don't know, I'm a spiritual narrator. I record books. तो मुझे बहुत सारे gifts भी मिलते हैं. So again, Dolly is keeping the scarf in a diagonal form. Always remember, most of the time, the fabric is being kept, the scarves are being kept diagonal.
So like we packed 2 bottles, now we are going to wrap these 2 books. One will be kept on one end, other will be on the other end.
Remember one thing कि books आपकी, अब ये कहेंगे कि शालिनी को जरूरी थोड़ी कि एक ही साइज की करें, पर ये एक ही साइज की होनी चाहिए. और दूसरा, इसको थोड़ा सा ट्रायल एंड एरर लगेगा. 1-2 बार रैप करके इसकी फिक्सिंग देखनी पड़ेगी कि कपड़ा पहले कितना लेना है. ये 1-2 बार करके देखना पड़ता है. ये आपको स्टेशनरी शॉप पे मिलता है. गुड इनफ डॉली, वंडरफुल. सो इस तरह से आपने दोनों किताबों को रैप करके बीच में लेकर आए.
And then,
नहीं गीतिका, you can use any color of the fabric. Yeah.
so
Here, can you show elongatedly? Just hold and show like this. Yeah. ये देखिए आप, ये इस तरह से बन गया. दोनों बुक्स को आपने रैप कर लिया. Now this side goes in.
now we'll take the fabric from one end, collect it, and
Pass it to the other
pass it
side.
to the other end.
Hmm.
Similarly, we are going to do with the fabric on the other end. Just collect the entire fabric and take it to the other side. Now, just lift up the books and tie a knot here.
And can we have a bow-like tying? Not this. Can we have a bow-like tying on one of the sides? Use any color of fabric. Firashaki, you can use any fabric. Remember, we are tying. It should not be this कि आप उसको tie कर रहे हो. Nets use होते हैं. People are using lot of. I'll be showing you a malmal wrap also, and looking beautiful. So you use anything. It needs to be in your budgets. If you are a professional, use scarves. Ready scarves आप use करो. They look very, very beautiful. Can we have a tassel hanging onto the one side? So because it's a wrapping with an Indian twist, so you need to get it hold. So just wrap it, put it around. Yeah. We are trying to avoid any kind of pasting to it because we want people to use the scarf. Yeah. डॉली इसके ऊपर से ले जाइए, ऊपर से ले जाइए. ये आ गया आपका. And then we have the same, we are purposely using the same, flowers which we have done so that we can show you different looks. अब ये जो flower बने हुए, ये अलग fabric के बने हुए हैं. Put one on the dory of the tassel, please. Yeah.
Auntie, I have a question.
Anji.
These flowers and these tassels that you are using, are they sourced or are they made by you?
No, the flowers are made by us, my team, and the straight, huh? And the tassels are sourced. And here comes the booty, a Jaipuri booty to it. Don't look at this, so looks beautiful. Can you show it flat on the other camera, because they can see it? It is ऐसे इधर इस कैमरा पे, ये देखिए आप. हाँ, ठीक है, इसको स्ट्रेट कर दो ना. Yeah, like this. Look at this. Can you see how beautiful it is looking? So, so एक Japanese art है, उसके अंदर florals करके हमने
मैम जब ये
राजस्थानी
अपोजिट
बूटी
साइड
डाली है.
क्लोज करेंगे तो क्या ये ओपन नहीं हो जाएगी नोट?
क्या कह रहे हो?
जब मैम ये अपोजिट साइड हमने किया है बुक के सेंटर में से क्लोथ को, तो ये ओपन नहीं हो जाएगा?
नहीं, को पकड़ लो इसको डॉली. कैन यू जस्ट शो देम हाउ इट कैन बी कैरीड? नीचे से छोड़ दीजिए, ऊपर दिखाइए सामने. या सामने. हाँ, ये देखो कुछ नहीं हो रहा.
Because the fabric we have taken from one and
It's like a purse. It's like a purse.
We can't see her. We can only see you, Shalini ji. We can't
How
see the
can you
bag.
see me? आपको अपने कैमरे को चेक करना पड़ेगा.
How? You are on the camera.
No, she is not. I can see.
I'm not on the camera. I'm not. You have to check yours, बच्चा. Spotlighted ही है वो.
Ma'am, I would like to say something.
Yeah.
I think by far this is the most beautiful way of gifting a book to someone. Thank you so much. It's actually very nice.
I second that.
Love you for that. Love you for that. Absolutely. Let's don't open the packings, and we won't open these packing. So Varsha has made something, and by the time, let's see what Varsha has done here.
Ma'am, I just missed the last step of the knot. Can you please
Humaira,
show?
we'll do that. Don't go today. I won't go. Look at this. She has done it. Wow. And she's done it with the scarf. So beautifully done. Wonderful. So that's Rachna. That's another way. आपको मैं ये बताना चाहूंगी. Thank you. Let me share something with you people. There are thousands and thousands of ways of doing firashiki on internet. What? हाँ जी. अभी नहीं. I will see everybody's work. Let us just, only 2 wraps are left. Let me do that. Then I'll take the questions. You want something to be repeated. You want to show what you have done. We are all here to show you for sure. See, that is why we kept an interactive class, and we want you to make money also. ये भी याद रखना. So we want you to make money. So that's for sure. So Miss Gaikwad, please mute yourself. Stay muted, because अगर आपको recording भी चाहिएगा, it needs to come neat, without any extra noises and voices. We'll talk to each other. गप्पे शप्पे मारेंगे. ठीक है, चलिए अब हम आगे चलते हैं. So let me, because कई बार आपको अपने कैमरे को सेट करना होगा. So पहले तो ये top view है. This is the top view of the camera, and I'm also giving you now the front view of the camera. This is the front view of the camera, right? तो मुझे लगता है top view अभी काम नहीं आएगा आपके, तो मैं उसको हटा रही हूँ. And you only have the front view. Again, Dolly has picked up the diagonal fabric. ये कपड़े को 2 stitch किया गया है. Can you show the closely? ये इसको देखो, ये stitch.
separate fabrics
हाँ.
stitched together from the ends.
And it's like a मलमल. इसको मैं रोटो बोलती हूँ. ये तकरीबन 16 रुपए मीटर आता है. ये 16 रुपए मीटर का फैब्रिक है. 2 कपड़ों को जोड़ा गया है यहाँ पे 2 कलर देने के लिए. And don't miss out the Monopoly. I play with my grandson every Sunday. तो बॉक्स यही सामने था, so we decided to pack this only. तो आपने Monopoly कोई भी बॉक्स लिया, and then it comes here. Fold the other side, make it इसको tightly, and I'll suggest थोड़ा slip करा, tightly करके उसको take it real tight. Yeah. अगर जरूरत पड़े तो एक ग्लू डॉट लगाने में कोई भी हर्जा नहीं है, to get the absolutely neat fold. When you have cotton scarves and all that, they don't move. When you have very thin, because मैंने ये 2 stitch करा रखे हैं, तो इसका थोड़ा सा movement का हो सकता है कि हो. So we just making sure that it doesn't move. So आपने उसको ऊपर लिया, and then we are showing the other. So we just go like this. Yeah. पहले इसको ऐसे करके नोट कर लो आप. तो दोनों साइड से आपने उसको इकट्ठा किया, making sure that this goes like this and comes from the top. Yeah. People use जो कपड़े धोने वाले pegs नहीं होते हैं, वो भी यूज करते हैं कई बारी, जिनका हाथ सेट नहीं होता है इसको करने के लिए. तो initially you can do that as well. So आपने किया. Now we are going to make use of the other color. इसको वापस निकाल दो जैसे आप चाह रही थी ना. तो what she's doing is she's again taking it out because the yellow color we want to show. खींच लीजिए और.
You're only going to like have a hint of this color on one side.
Yeah, पलटो. So उसको नीट करा आपने. जो दूसरा जो बो बना है ऊपर उसको भी थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट करेंगे तो येलो थोड़ा सा दिखता होगा तो अच्छा लगेगा. It will look nice. One side थोड़ा सा येलो दिखता हुआ. It look pretty. So glue dots and all is available on the stationery shops बड़े आराम से. तो आप ये देखें, आपके थीम बनाने हैं, ग्रेज एंड ब्लैक्स लुक्स वेरी नाइस. गोल्ड्स के साथ में आप बना सकते हो. जो भी आपका थीम है, जो आपका त्योहार है, आप उसको यूज करें.
Auntie, can I ask you something?
If you are asking me, I can say no also, or you ask. So let's finish and look at this beautiful tassel going in. If you can just put it little like this, yeah, flowing in. So I'll also show you the top view. Can you just have it here? Can look at the top view also. So तीजें आ रही हैं आगे, तीजों का त्योहार आ रहा है आगे, करवा चौथ आ रहा है आगे. इतने जो भी आपके त्योहार आ रहे हैं उसके लिए ये एक परफेक्ट है. आप ये जो स्क्वायर पीस है, आई यूज इट एज माई टेबल रनर ऑल्सो. मैं इसको टेबल पे स्लिप क्लॉथ की तरह यूज करती हूँ. आई हैव मेड मैनी, मतलब आई सेल ऑल्सो एंड यूज इट ऑन माई टेबल. They look extremely beautiful, isn't it? Now the similar kind of an arrangement we are going to do with another fabric with another look. So can we have, this is Lehariya, very famous from Jaipur, and one of our students are Lehariya Queen, hum usko bolte hain. And it's all made by her. They look so beautiful. Comes here again. Similarly, you make the take out the center. You haven't taken out the center. Don't forget to do that. Take out the center. It is very, very important to take out the center.
This is the center of the fabric.
Yeah.
So now you have an idea, or you could just do it like this a little bit to mark the center. And then now you know where the center is. Let's put your box.
यहाँ पे साड़ी के बॉक्स होने चाहिए, सूट के होने चाहिए, not the monopolies, but I think it serves the purpose. Yeah.
Again, in the manner we did last time. So now we'll pick up the fabric from both the ends, put it together, and tie a knot in the center.
Can you all hear us? Preeti says she can't hear. Can you all hear us? Can you just give me a thumbs up?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
So now to show the fabric laying, color of the
Now this is the
fabric.
beauty of it. Please do see it. Okay, how the same knot looks very, very different. I'm going to add another camera. Yeah, so that you can see it very clearly. So Dolly, they can see the top also. Yeah.
So this is how we are going to put the other side on top to reveal the plain fabric. And then we are going to use these Indian embellishments.
We can't see, we can only see you.
नहीं, अगर आप अपना चेक करिए. अच्छा. Just 1 minute, just 1 minute. नहीं, यहाँ पे मुझे ग्रीन दिख रहा है. They can just 1 minute because can everybody see or not see?
Ma'am, we can
We can't
can
see,
see
we
it
can
on
only see
Yes,
you.
yes.
So we can see.
एक मिनट रुको, एक मिनट रुको, शांति. Okay. And I'm removing this. Now you can see this and I'll add here. Now, good. So ये जो है इसमें यहाँ आएगा, you know, as a teacher, I will not, I will always poke my nose in.
It's an opportunity for us to learn further.
Yeah. Can we show the close-up of the design? Look at it. Can we show the close-up of the design? It's amazing. So, एक मिनट मैं ना शालिनी बेरीवाल camera map.
Your camera has been reversed.
I don't know how it is happening. Wait. Now can you see it?
Yes, now it's fine.
Now it's fine. All the time we only see you actually. We have to scroll to the other side and everybody is on it. So we see in a very small window.
I don't know why this happened like in any way. Because it's not. You can see this, right? Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to bring in all the wraps. Le aao sare. We are going to bring in all the wrap one by one over here. So that you can see what all we have done. If you people have missed something, तो वो भी आप देख पाओगे. एक के आगे एक भी रख सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
If you can do the bottle one again.
So first let's see that and we'll do entire session first and then your requests we'll see. ठीक है जी? हाँ. तो like सामने इसको आप all the designs which we have done. Can Dolly this be flipped a little so that सामने नहीं दिख रहा है. सामने ये उधर ले लो, ये उधर, हाँ उसके बदल में बिल्कुल नहीं, ये इधर ले लीजिए, वो इधर कर लीजिए. सुमिता ये आगे ले लीजिए. हाँ, और ये बॉटल पीछे कर दीजिए, बॉटल यहाँ पीछे. हाँ ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है. वायर हटा दो वहां से, रिमूव द वायर. So this is what we have done today. Aren't they looking gorgeous? Hanji.
Fabulous. You're just so creative and beautiful
Please
style.
remove this plate.
Simple and so lovely.
I'm very elegantly packed and looking very gorgeous and unique.
They're
Very
very
nice.
beautiful, Shalini. It's
Very nice.
extremely pretty.
So and अब आप में से कितने जने बनाएंगे? The idea is कि आप इसे बनाएं. The whole idea is that you make it. है ना जी?
We will.
Yeah. So
Surely make.
yes.
Very inspiring.
First of all, let's say thank you to our teachers today.
Yep.
And can we say, or can we have Dolly on the spotlight? Please? Can we say thank you to Dolly? Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dolly. Thank you.
This session,
Thank you very much.
this
Thank you, Dolly.
session could,
Thank you.
this session could be done only because Sumita and Dolly came and they prepared, they learned and then they did it over here. नहीं तो with my leg, I'm not allowed to stand. तो
चलो दूसरा लगा दो
ये
इसको.
possible नहीं होता कि मैं इसको करती, and due to them the program has happened.
I should not say that I should
Dolly.
be thankful for this happening, but this is always a great opportunity for us as teachers to come at ma'am's place and learn few more new things every time we're here.
So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you here. Okay, now over to first of all our agenda of today. और आप लोग जो ये चाह रहे हो कि आप लोगों को दोबारा दिखाएं, we will. लेकिन तो first of all हमने बहुत सारे फूल बनाने सीखे. How many of you want to sell those flowers? We have, so Deepti GNK wants to, so we have few buyers here. आई एम गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस, प्लीज टेक डाउन देयर नंबर्स, और मैं आपको आपके शहरों में भी दूंगी, पर ये लोग ऑलरेडी रेडी है. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, मैप हैज स्टूडेंट्स इन 58 cities, दे आर ऑल बायर्स. अभी मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगी कि बायर्स को लेके कैसे आना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रिंग इन सेजल पारिक. हाय सेजल.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ, तो सेजल पारिक इज फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद and she is a packer. Sejal, what's your brand name?
My brand name is Celebric by Sejal Parekh.
Okay, so Sejal, you as you said that you would like, you will love to wear, buy rather, you said you will love to buy all these flowers. क्या करेंगे
Yes.
आप इनका?
Ma'am, I'll create the whole collection with this flower. And as the Rakhi is approaching, I'm looking forward that my Rakhi collection will be of this flowers.
Wonderful.
Because they are beautiful, and I'm sure they can, make a very good collection of it.
थैंक यू सो मच. तो सेजल प्लीज आप अपना ना नंबर शेयर कर दें यहाँ पे, so that we know. And just to tell Dolly, will you please come? तो Dolly has also told us that she will like to buy. Dolly, आप क्या करोगे? Like सामने, I'm adding that spotlight there only. So Dolly, can you take close up of Dolly, please? So Dolly, you said that, ma'am, I would like to buy these flowers, and let me tell you, Dolly is very, very creative in her designs, very eco-friendly and sustainable. So how is what are you going to do?
Ma'am, as you said that I generally like to create designs which are very eco-friendly and sustainable. And also they give an opportunity to other women in the society. In the sense they create something and we sell it and make it an earning point for us also and for those women too. So that way I would like to buy these flowers. The most beautiful thing about these flowers is that we can customize these flowers and according to the colors that we require for our hampers. And even we can have printed flowers, we can have striped flowers, whatever like new addition we want to do to our collection, we can do that. And
Sorry,
the best part is they are not available in the market for everyone else to purchase. So it's completely your creation that you will have for your upcoming collection.
Thank you, Dolly. So Dolly, please share your number in the chat. I'll request any of the Dolly's friends to do that. Also, we have found a buyer in Guwahati. मैंने अभी freeze की हुई है chat को ताकि आप मेरी बात सुने. We have buyers in Delhi. We have buyers in Jaipur. So is Gunjan there?
Yes, ma'am.
So with what name? So because we have two Gunjans here. So I'm just adding Gunjan. So welcome Gunjan. Gunjan is from
Thank
Jaipur.
you so much, ma'am.
हाँ, Gunjan is from Jaipur and she is ready to buy. तो जो भी chapter जयपुर के chapter से जो लोग यहाँ हैं, please approach Gunjan. And Gunjan, what will you do of these flowers? आपने तो खुद इतने अच्छे बनाए थे, आप क्यों
Yes,
खरीद रही हैं?
ma'am.
हाँ, why are you
Because,
wanting
ma'am,
to buy?
Ma'am, I'm already a professional gift packer and I'm also a good work, but I believe in little more supports for growth, for my self growth, my business growth, and I am sharing my skills with those other girls who depended on these things, little things making, and I want to showcase my brand and identity with her, with
So wonderful.
all
So
members.
Gunjan, all the buying, Priya जैसे आप बोल, all the buying is going to be done through Fiki Flow chapters. So remember these things. All the buying initially is going to be through Fiki Flow chapter. Gunjan, we'll be putting you in touch with them. So thank you so much for
Ma'am,
being there.
Can I show my flowers?
The same one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Gunjan has made, Gunjan जब तू खुद बना लेती हो तो गुंजन का ये कहना था कि I want to focus on my business and I want to buy from people so that I grow my business. So thank you so much, Gunjan. Gunjan, just flip over in 1 minute. You can show then.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
See this tassels for
Yeah.
making satin fabric.
गुंजन
This
एक ही
also
शॉट में
make
दिखा दीजिए, आप एक ही में बार में
okay.
दिखा दें. ओके. So Gunjan has done lovely work. Thank you, Gunjan. Thank you so much. And as you know, so we have started finding buyer everywhere. And बहुत लोग हैं जो इसे खरीदना चाहते हैं, कोई भी issue नहीं है. All buying and purchasing would be of the respective chapter of that city through Fiki Flow right now. If you people have got the flowers made from the BPI Live Women, please be in touch with Fiki Flow chapter. So Aparna, Gunjan,
Can we
Aparna,
buy
आपका
it
number-
from ma'am?
You all can buy. Whoever wants to buy, please DM us the city you are in. We'll put you in touch with the Fiki Flow member there. Okay, and or whoever is training. Remember one thing: this is not a owned प्रोजेक्ट. अगर आपने फूल बनाना सीखा है, आप किसी और को सिखाओ, आप उनसे लो, आप उन्हें आगे दो. Nupur Pawar is saying, ladies whom taught send flowers to me. Wonderful, Nupur. Thank you so much for that.
One
Huh?
thing, sorry, I'm interrupting you. I'm a member of the Flow chapter, but I'm not in the group.
Where are you? Who's you?
I'm Ruchika Chaudhary,
So Ruchika, आप किस शहर से हैं?
Calcutta.
So कोलकाता का एक अपना ग्रुप है. Please ask them to add you, or otherwise you DM us on my Instagram. I'll send you the link of the same.
What's the name of the group?
Map.India, huh? Hanji.
Ma'am, can you have recordings for the old sessions also? I missed the second one.
Yes, they are already parked with us. Please just send us a message. We'll share the link. Okay, so there are some questions. Now the question comes to how many of you want to learn from where to get the client? Okay.
Myself.
Everybody wants to do that. So who will buy from you? My question is, who will buy from you? Aparna, packers नहीं. जो आपका जो भी business है, whatever your business is, ask yourself a question. जो मैं बना रही हूँ, वो किसके लिए है? वो किसकी जरूरत है? वो किसकी wish है? वो किसका challenge है जो दूर हो रहा है? And then you will find a client. Have you ever asked this? No. Generally we do what? I like this, I'll make it, I'll sell it. Right? ये करते हैं, मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा बनाना आता है, मैं ये बनाऊंगी और मैं ये बेचूंगी. Do we do that? Do we do that? अब इसको थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट देना है. मैं जो जानती हूं बनाना, like even me, I was very good in craft, extremely good in craft. I was extremely good in table layouts. Then I asked myself one fine day, मुझे इसके पैसे कौन देगा? I'm talking 2002. तो मुझे इसके पैसे रिच एंड फेमस लोग देंगे जो मुझसे लेके सोशल स्टेटस को ग्रो करना चाहते हैं. एट दैट टाइम गिफ्ट पैकेजिंग वाज नॉट फॉर एवरीवन. नाउ कमिंग टू टुडेज सेशन, आपको इन फ्लावर्स को बनाने के पैसे, आपको फिरोशकी बनाने के पैसे, आपको बंचिंग बनाने के पैसे कौन देगा? कैन यू से 4 clients? Tell me. One is packers like Gunjan, Dolly and everybody. Who 4 clients will buy? वो कहेंगे दे दो अभी दे दो. बताओ मेरे को. Tell me, who 4 clients will buy from you?
People who are in immediate need.
नहीं, अब मेरा no, let's not. Immediate need कौन? People who are immediate need. You don't know who are these people. No.
जिनके घर में कोई
Gift shop.
फंक्शन.
One minute. Ask yourself question again. What? It's all right to speak so that you are thinking aloud. ये एक तरीका है, जब हम बोलते हैं ना, कुछ सोच रहे होते हैं, कुछ बोल रहे होते हैं, ये एक तरीका है सोचने का बोलकर. So Pratima says, gift shops. Why will gift shop buy a flower or a firoshki to wrap? Okay. Now, if I'm going to a gift shop जो बच्चों की toys के gift के बेच रहा है, क्या वो खरीदेगा? वो नहीं खरीदेगा.
No.
Though it's a gift shop, पर वो नहीं खरीदेगा. Remember that. So 4 questions. Be with it. I will take a separate session outside this program because it's a huge topic. We'll take 2 hours where we will teach you how to identify your client. Right now for the flowers, I'll tell you who will buy. Number 1, gift package for sure. लेकिन ग्रेड भी करना है आपको. पैसे आपको ज्यादा कौन देगा, फिर कौन देगा, फिर कौन देगा, फिर कौन देगा. सबसे ज्यादा फूल कौन खरीदेगा? एक गिफ्ट पैकर खरीदेगा या वो खरीदेगा जिसकी 40 शॉप है, 100 शॉप है, 200 शॉप है? जल्दी से बताओ कौन खरीदेगा?
बल्क परचेज.
नहीं, बल्क परचेज से नहीं. बल्क परचेज अगेन इज वेरी वेग. Who in bulk purchase? Please, let's not be vague.
Uzo packing person.
कोई नहीं खरीदेगा। ट्रूजो पैकिंग में कितना आता? अगर मैं पूछूं गुंजन से, गुंजन आपसे 200-300 फ्लावर लेगी।
हल्दीराम बीकानेर
हल्दीराम
brand,
बीकानेर, तो
कोई
लेट्स नॉट
brand.
से हल्दीराम बीकानेर। हु आर दे? 1 मिनट।
corporate gift.
कॉर्पोरेट्स नहीं खरीदेंगे, कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्ट लेते
जिसके
हैं, कॉर्पोरेट
बहुत सारे
पैकिंग नहीं
outlets
करते।
हो.
नो नो, हल्दीराम बीकानेर
Festival
is a good
return gift.
answer.
Sweets,
1 minute,
sweet
girls.
shops.
Hल्दीराम
Sweet and savory makers.
Sweet and savory manufacturers. Wonderful. How many are there? Thousands and
Thousands.
thousands of them. लेकिन आपको गिफ्ट पैकर ज्यादा पैसे देगा या स्वीट्स एंड सेवरीज मैन्युफैक्चरर ज्यादा पैसे देगा?
उसका क्वांटिटी ज्यादा होगा तो ज्यादा पैसे मिलेंगे वहां से।
क्वांटिटी ज्यादा होगा पर पैसे पर पीस कौन ज्यादा देगा?
Gift
हाँ,
packer.
गिफ्ट रैपर।
गिफ्ट रैपर। सो प्लीज प्लीज बी विद मी। मैं फूल खुद बना के बेच रही हूँ। मैं सुबह बैठती हूँ, शाम तक बनाती हूँ, 20 फूल बनाती हूँ। मैं पूरे महीने के अंदर 30 दिन भी काम करती हूँ तो मेरा 600 फूल बनता है। बहुत मेहनत कर लूंगी, 1000 फूल बना लूंगी। मुझे मेरे, प्लीज लिसन टू मी, आई एम अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट टीचर हियर, वेरी वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट। लिसन टू मी। If I am making only 1000 pieces a month, I'm saying only, I mean it. I want more money or I want less money?
More obviously.
More money. Why? Number one, मैं मेरे हाथ से बना रही हूँ, प्राण दे रही हूँ इसके अंदर, सुबह से लेके लाख तक लगी पड़ी हूँ। अब यही मैं 10-12 लड़कियों को ट्रेंड करती हूँ जो किसी एनजीओ से हैं या मेरे यहाँ सफाई कर रही हैं। वो दोपहर में चली जाती हैं, 4 घंटे घर पे होती हैं, फिर वापस आती हैं। या इस तरह के लोग, ड्राइवर है मेरा, उसकी वाइफ घर पे होती है। अब मैंने इन लोगों को ट्रेंड किया कि भैया तेरे फ्री टाइम के अंदर तूने ये फूल बना के देने हैं। नाउ आई एम गेटिंग 2000, 3000, 4000 flowers a month from these women who are working from their home. Otherwise वो गप्पे मार रही होती, टाइम किल कर रही होती, या बच्चों को थप्पड़ मार रही होती. This is what they would have been doing. I'm telling you, getting irritated with the children, they do that, right? अब मेरे पास में ये 10,000 फूल आ रहा है. अब क्या गिफ्ट पैकर 10,000 खरीदेगा? क्या डॉली 10,000 खरीदेगी? क्या गुंजन 10,000 खरीदेगी? क्या सेजल? नहीं खरीदेंगे. Then comes the manufacturers with 100 shops, 50 shops, sweet and savories. That is the time you go there. कि अभी आप अपने 1000 फूल लेके जाएंगे ना, वो कहेंगे इससे हमारा काम नहीं होना, हम इतने में करें. One shop might take and put it in one design. Guys, doing business does not mean कि मेरे पास ये sellable है तो मैं इसको किसी को भी बेच दूं. No. Just check your life first. Who am I and what do I want to do with this business? So if I have a boutique, मेरे पास left over है तो मेरे पास कितना है? एक left over से कितनी चीजें बना लूंगी मैं? एक डिजाइन के 25-50 बनेंगे तो मेरे लिए या तो गिफ्ट पैकर बढ़िया, और अगर मैं स्मार्ट होंगी ना तो मैं मेरे फॉर्मल एंड वेडिंग वेयर के साथ में पैकिंग भी मैचिंग की देनी शुरू कर दूंगी कि भाई तेरे यहाँ पे तू शादी में ये आउटफिट पहनेगी तो यही वाले फूल अपनी पैकिंग में लगा लेना. Everything is coordinated and I charge double the price to the bride. She's not a gift packer. Are you getting it? So ask yourself, what is the aim of my life? Deepti has done from Jammu and Kashmir chapter, कम से कम उसने 25 लोगों को फूल बनाना सिखाया है. उसकी ये मॉरल ड्यूटी है कि वो 25 लोग जो उसके पास फूल लेके आ रहे हैं वो आशा करते हैं कि दीप्ति फिकी फ्लो की मेंबर उन्हें पैसे देगी. तो दीप्ति अगर कुछ भी नहीं कमाती और दीप्ति उनको लेबर दे पाती है उनके पूरे, जो कि उनकी जस्टिफाइड है, दे आर सॉर्टेड डियर, दे आर सॉर्टेड. यहाँ पर उद्देश्य ये नहीं है कि मैं कितना कमा रही हूँ. उद्देश्य ये है कि मैंने जिनको ट्रेन किया उनके घर में समृद्धि जाए, उनके घर के अंदर खुशहाली जाए. While many of you are doing it with your own hands. Gunjan initially made with her own hand. She's a map student. I gave her a call today. Gunjan कितने बना लेगी? बोली पूरे महीने के अंदर इतने. मैं कहा if you need more, she said I need to buy. मैं कहा then you become a business owner. Design. Ask Deepti or ask Jaipur chapter that they make it to your color combination and fabric, and you relax, make the design and sell. As a business owner, your aim is not to make, your aim is to sell. I have not made a single flower. I made only one flower, taught it to my girls. They made everything. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. Dolly is very happy that Shalini ma'am के पास मैं आई. I learned something. कहने को ये क्लास आज तभी पॉसिबल था when Sumita and Dolly are here. Sumita may not be in front of the camera, but she's the backbone behind the whole session. She coordinated everything. तो हर एक को आपको ये देखना है कि मेरे लाइफ, मेरे बिजनेस, मेरे गोल के लिए मेरे लिए कौन सा क्लाइंट होगा. डू नॉट गो टू एनी स्वीट मेकर, anybody. If you have only 500 and 1000 flowers, then gift packers are better for you. Bakeries are better for you. The color combination needs to be changed. Then bakeries are better for you, क्योंकि bakeries 200 नहीं होती हैं, उनके numbers जो branches होते हैं वो कम होते हैं. और independent bakeries भी इतनी popular होती हैं. They are very conscious about how they are fighting. Done है जी, clear? Have I made myself clear? So, Miss Sheetal, can you please mute yourself? Okay. Now the question is price per flower कैसे होता है? Very, very intelligent question. So again, how do I price my flower? मैंने जब एक एनजीओ के साथ 20 लड़कियों को ट्रेन किया, तो पर डे आपको कैसे खर्चा निकालना होता है. अब मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ, अगर आप एक लेबर को हायर करती हैं, तो इंडिया में मिनिमम वेजेस आर 9,000 rupees, right? It's a 9,000 rupees. Minimum government wages are 9,000 rupees. You will make one girl sit. I'll have to mute you people if you don't stay quiet. Okay. So देखो यहाँ पे प्रतिमा सिंह, NGO with 10-15 ready to learn. Wonderful, wonderful. तो आप ये समझिए, मैं खाली हूँ, मेरे पास दिन के 3 घंटे हैं, मेरे 4 बच्चे हैं. अगर मेरे को महीने में 5-6 हजार रुपए भी मिलते हैं, आई एम गुड. तो हर एक का प्राइस पॉइंट सेम नहीं हो सकता है. गुंजन अगर अपने हाथ से बनाएगी, वो कभी भी उस प्राइस पॉइंट पे नहीं बेच पाएगी जो कि हम एक एनजीओ के विमेन से बनवा के बेच सकते हैं. इन दिल्ली आई एम गिविंग 3 rupees अ फ्लावर मेकिंग. मैंने इन लड़कियों को बुलाया, घड़ी रख के आफ्टर ट्रेनिंग पूरी इसकी टाइम ली कि एक फूल कितने मिनट के अंदर बनता है, उसको डिवाइड किया वेजेस के साथ में. तो 3 rupees a flower for one flower making, no center, without any center. I will suggest all the gift packers and everybody, please keep center as a free entity. क्योंकि आपकी जो भी पैकिंग का कलर होता है, उसमें सेंटर को चेंज करके आप उसको उससे जेल, उससे मर्ज कर सकते हो. तो सेंटर्स ना लगाएं जब तक कि जिसको आप सेल कर रहे हैं वो ना बोले. 3 rupees आपका मेकिंग है. आपके कपड़े की कॉस्ट के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा हाउ मेनी what is the cost of the fabric. Maximum, don't buy fabric which is more than 30 to 40 rupees meter. Do not buy. अगर मैं 40 रुपए का फैब्रिक भी ले रही हूँ, मेरे 20 फूल भी बनते हैं, तो मेरा 2 रुपए का फैब्रिक है. सो 3 rupees की मेकिंग हो गई, 2 rupees का फैब्रिक हो गया, 5 rupees इज माई कॉस्ट ऑफ द फ्लावर. गुड, आई एम रॉकिंग, आई एम रॉकिंग. इफ यू हैव एनी लॉजिस्टिक कॉस्ट, बाय व्हाट लॉजिस्टिक कॉस्ट? आप खुद कम्यूट कर रहे हो, कुछ कर रहे हो, add another 1 rupee or so and do. So what I did was I talked to an NGO, I talked to their administration team and they said, Shalini ma'am, हमें कुछ पैसे चाहिए जो हम NGO के अंदर कोई हमें रिपेयर कराने हैं, कभी NGO में और भी काम करने होते, उसके लिए चाहिए होते हैं. So we added 1 rupees for the NGO earning. हमने एनजीओ के लिए भी 1 रुपया दिया कि भाई ठीक है ये बना. एंड दे मेड मेनी फ्लावर्स एट द टाइम ऑफ गिफ्ट एक्सपो. दे वर ऑल यूज्ड इनटू हैम्पर्स, इनटू डिस्प्लेज एंड दे आर वेरी वेरी नाइस. कनक साइज में ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता अनलेस एंड अनटिल तुम बहुत ही बड़ा बहुत छोटा फूल बना रहे हो, इससे कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ठीक है जी. ओके, नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दैट if you people want to work with different NGOs, if you are in touch with different NGOs and you want to know how to do it, my number is here. मैं आपको लिख के भेज रही हूँ 9350222333. This is my personal number and मैं गप्पे नहीं मारती हूँ. So you will not call me up for गप्पा. ठीक है जी. लेकिन अगर आप कहीं पे भी anywhere you people are wanting to train people, we have students in 58 cities. I'm very proud of MAP students. We can have session there, these students will train, or we can do a Zoom, or we have a recording of the first session. Do that, and this will all happen in a Fiki Flow banner. The whole thing has been conceptualized, done with Poonam Sharma, who's our president. And the whole idea is to take it to the nook and the corners of the country. When we are going to do with ribbon artistry work, हम करेंगे, you will be surprised कि एक पट्टी भी कपड़े की इतनी खूबसूरत यूज हो सकती है. आप तो कर ही रहे हो अभी. So guys, I'll request all of you, we are in 21 cities. Fikiflow is in 21 cities. We have 21 chapters. These chapters will help you if you are in that cities. Otherwise, Fikiflow will expand ourselves and help you wherever you wish to run these as a program. More than happy, more than happy. So thank you so much. And I don't have access to my link, but this is the name. Yeah. So any other questions? And otherwise, first of all, let me say thank you to all of you. Just 1 minute, Naina. I personally believe one breath is precious. It's your life. You have spent 1.5 hours with me. I'm honored. I'm humbled. Thank you so much for being here. Now I'll see all your work. I'll see everything what you have done. Thank you. Thank you so much. So people who had come to learn, they can exit. People want to see everybody's work. Please be there. So who's going to show us? Kya banaya unhone? Hanji. Let's see. So Vedika wants to show. Let's see what Vedika has made.
Humaira.
Okay. Oh, wow, Vedika. So Vedika, you have made multiples. If you can just put everything together and send us an image also later on. Okay. Okay, she's practically made everything. Wonderful. Okay. बहुत ही खूबसूरत. थैंक यू वेदिका. तो आप देखिए कि प्रैक्टिकली लेबर इज मनी. आपको मालूम है ना, टाइम इज मनी. You know that. Thank you, Vedika. So आप एक फोटो खींच के भेजिएगा. We'll float it with everybody. Send it with you. Send with your picture with everything you have learned. And if you can send us a reel also. हाँ कि भाई मैंने क्या किया. Send us good reel and it would be very nice. Everybody who's making something, send us wonderful reels and things like those, and we would love to show it to people. We'll only see Firoshiki, nothing else. और कोई चीज और कोई दिखाना. Only Firoshiki, right? Vinisha Thakur. Okay. We'll see only Firoshikis. Vinita Thakur. Yes, Vinita. Vinisha. Can we see? Okay. Wow. This is beautiful. Can we applause for Vinisha? Wonderful. बहुत खूबसूरत. Okay. Vinisha ने already देखे कितने खूबसूरत hangings भी बना रखे हैं. Wonderful, ji. Wonderful. बहुत खूबसूरत. I'll request everybody to put it on the table so that we can see it at one glance. So we'll save time. Thank you, Vinisha. Thank you so much. Hanji,
Thank you,
anybody?
ma'am. Thank you.
हाँ, आप बताओ, नाम बोलो. So Krishna Gifts and Creation. This is beautiful. This is absolutely a monetized art. Krishna, this is lovely. आप इसे monetize कर सकते हैं. अगर आप किसी भी Instagram पे जाके फिरोशकी लिखें, Pinterest पे लिखें, it is trending worldwide. You can earn big money with that. Wonderful, Krishna. Thank you so much. Priya. Okay. So we have Priya. Yes, Priya. Lovely. So shaded. Wow. Priya, you will have to unmute yourself if you want to say something.
I have not put the flowers because आज मेरे को backache हो रहा है तो वो नीचे जाके लाना पड़ेगा. तो अभी I'm not going
But
down.
it is really, really beautiful. Thank you.
I've used this and I've done the tray also. Like अभी उसके लिए भी I'll get the flowers and I'll stick it.
Wonderful, ji. Wonderful. I'll request everybody, whoever is doing this work, I'll again make a reel. Varsha, I'll just see just 1 minute. I will not go today. I'll see everybody's work. I promise you that. I want everybody of you to make a reel, speak out your name, speak out your city, say that I have attended Fikiflow skill to scale workshop, and inside that I'll make it reach Miss Poonam Sharma, our president. She wants to take the project to Mr. Modi. You never know. You never know. This can be you. Hanji.
And this is Humaira here.
Hanji, Humaira, I'm spotlighting you, dear. Wow, wow, this is great.
I
Humaira,
didn't
you
have,
send us your reel. Yes.
I
Wonderful.
didn't have plain cloths and I don't have the brooches, but I got the hack of the wrappings.
Wonderful.
The
बहुत
folds are
खूबसूरत.
just amazing.
बहुत खूब. तो हमेरा, do we expect a video from you?
Yes, ma'am. Surely. I'll send it to your personal message.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Also,
Hello,
ma'am,
ma'am.
One
I
minute.
had
One
missed your
minute. 1
flower.
minute. I'm coming to everybody. Please, Ishan. So Ishan has done okay. Again, the scarves being used so beautifully. Thank you. Thank you. Abhi, go quickly. So very nicely done. I'm not getting P-double-O-J-A, Pooja. Yes. Yes, Pooja, we are looking at your work or plate you have done.
Yeah, I've done the plate.
Wonderful. बहुत बढ़िया.
This is the
You have
it.
really done wonderful. बहुत खूबसूरत. बहुत अच्छा. So we have Sakshi Khanna here. So Sakshi Khanna. Wow, so many of them.
You heard, you know? Oh, sorry.
Good afternoon. बहुत अच्छा. Sakshi, you have done a wonderful job. Wonderful. Anybody else? Okay. So thank you so much. I'll request everybody, if you iPhone Rachna, she's saying just 1 minute. iPhone Rachna. Can Rachna? I can't see her.
I am.
नहीं, अगर वो कैमरा पे नहीं होंगी तो
Ma'am, I'm here.
okay. Yeah, iPhone Rachna. Yes, beautiful.
Yeah, so I've just made two. This is the sweet box, and this is again another box.
Very pretty, Rachna. Very nice.
Thank
Very
you.
nice. So, everyone, remember one thing, this program is called Skill to Scale and is under your program called Project Wings. Believe me, Fiki Flow has given me wings to be in India and reaching the nook and corner of India. It's for you to take it forward. अगर आप लोगों ने किसी 2 जनों को भी कोई आर्ट सिखा दिया, so send us your reels while you are training others. Who will do? कि हम 2 जनों को फूल बनाना सिखा रहे हैं या बंद सिखा रहे हैं या कुछ बांधना सिखा रहे हैं. Send us those reels and send us those reels. We'll collaborate. We'll show it to our president. We'll make a reel of it. Show it to the government officials. You never know. You never know where it is sent. So Nupur is saying हमने already भेज दिया है. हाँ जी, क्या बोल रहे हैं? So Deepti wants to say something. Yes, Deepti, please unmute yourself.
No, ma'am, I was just saying that we will make the reels and we will share it with you. And yes, we're looking for buyers. This was an amazing session. In fact, when I had heard about this session, I had thought we'll do it for our own FICCI members in our chapter. So they can learn, if the ladies are not joining the Zoom, at least we'll get to do the chat. We'll learn and we'll teach to them.
Wonderful. This
I'm
is
really
the
looking
whole
forward
idea.
to
This is the
this.
whole idea. Yeah.
Yeah. So, I mean, we are trying to work on the flower making thing. We'll be very glad if the ladies we have taught, we will be able to generate some business for them. We'll be really obliged and really
No,
happy.
don't be obliged. People will make money. So make sure that you don't make multicolor flowers. Please use pastel colors. Use one size, make one size 100 pieces so that people can use it.
Okay.
And I'll find you people in Jammu and all. And go to mithai shops and एक बताऊं, off-handedly बता रही हूँ, off-handedly. मैं किसी को ये बोलूं कि यार ये फूल मैंने बनाए हैं, तू खरीद ले, लोगों का भला हो जाएगा. ठीक है. दूसरा मैं उसको बोलती हूँ, तुझे पता है, I belong to an organization called FICCI Flow, which is the most powerful women organization today in India. This is our project. And if you buy these flowers, which is very beautiful, will add to your business. Your business will become known to FICCI Flow women as you are a friend of FICCI Flow. So, my dear, जब हम किसी को कहते हैं दे दे, ये हमारे लिए कर दे, कोई कुछ नहीं करता है. When you say मेरे पास तेरे लिए क्या है, this is called value conversation. How many of you want to learn value conversation? So I will do a separate session on that. We'll post it on MAP Instagram. Join me for that. And remember one thing, invite people, invite more people into this program. NGOs where you want to train, bring those NGOs into these programs only so that they see so many people are there, they get inspired. And then do it. ठीक है जी? Thank you so much for being in my
Ma'am,
life.
one last
And-
thing. Ma'am, is there any MAP student in Jammu also? Because
So जम्मू में अब खोजना पड़ेगा, जम्मू में नहीं है हमारे पास में मैप स्टूडेंट, बट डजंट मैटर. जम्मू में बाय चांस की बात है, बीकानेर वाला एंड ऑल भी नहीं है, वो नहीं है, बट आई विल फाइंड समबडी, नॉट टू वरी, आई विल फाइंड समबडी. आप लोग देखोगे मिलेगा, नहीं तो कुरियर कर दीजिए, कोई हर्जा नहीं है. सेंड इट टू पीपल अराउंड, सो वी अराउंड के हो जाएगा, दैट योर थिंग्स वुड बी सोल्ड, नॉट टू वरी अबाउट दैट.
And
ठीक है?
ma'am, I had missed the flower making session. आपने बोला था
So
recordings
we
हैं.
have all the links. We have all the links. We'll give it to you.
आप WhatsApp group पे डाल दीजिए.
Next session, 1 minute. Next section is going to be on Indian handicrafts. Indian handicrafts and gifting. If anybody of you is using Indian handicraft, core Indian handicraft, means we go to Punjab, so we have Fulkari. We go to Rajasthan, so we have those enamel paintings, we have those marble work, we have Sanganeri prints. I'm talking core, and it has to be from your own state, wherever you are living. अगर आप ऐसा जम्मू कश्मीर की embroideries, paper mache, things like those, so please work on it. And Nupur is from Ahmedabad, so Nupur, if you can Kutch work, I have worked on Kutch work, but तो all the this is for all the chapter chairs also, it is for everybody. अगर आप अपने स्टेट के हैंडक्राफ्ट के ऊपर, हैंडीक्राफ्ट, नॉट लाइक अ मोमेंटम और नॉट लाइक अ सोवेनियर, रियल सेलेबल गिफ्टिंग, एक्सोटिक, ग्लैमरस, लाइक अ हीरोइन, अगर आप वैसी चीजें क्रिएट करते हैं, बी इन टच विद अस. आई विल फीचर यू, send us the reel done, and always mention that this is for Ficky Flow Project Wing, because उसी के साथ में हम उसको reels में compile करके we'll send it to the all top notch of India. मेरा ये कहना है, मैं 2002 में मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि आज मैं ये कर रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट अ ग्रेजुएट, आई एम नॉट अ हिंदी मीडियम, आई एम अ हिंदी मीडियम स्टडिंग. मैंने पढ़ाई करी, मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती थी, मुझे कंप्यूटर नहीं आता था, और आज मैं आपके सामने कोचिंग कर रही हूँ. गाइस, यू नेवर नो द लाइफ. It takes one click. That's it. Vinisha wants to say something. नैना अब जल्दी से. हाँ नैना,
आपका नंबर वापस.
यार गप्पे नहीं मारूंगी, ठीक है? ओके, हाँ जी.
गप्पे नहीं चाहिए.
Vinisha, what do you want to say? Yeah.
I want to ask where to send reel of our.
In your group, I'll need it as a. What city are you from, Vinisha?
I'm Delhi.
Okay, Delhi में तो हम लोग खुद ही manage कर रहे हैं. So you are in the group. Send it in the group as a document. I've shared my number. You can share it in my group. You can share it in my group. Please do write Project Wing Ficky Flow. Okay, so that we can use it at a wider platform. जिन लड़कियों को आप ट्रेंड कर रही हैं, उनके भी टेस्टिमोनियल लें, उन्हें कैसा लग रहा है. अगर आप माध्यम हैं किसी को पैसा कमाने के लिए, प्लीज ये जरूर बताएं. ठीक है? थैंक यू सो मच. सी यू अगेन आफ्टर 15 days with Indian handicraft and gift packaging. Right? Thank you so much to be with me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for the wonderful session. Thoroughly